Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the new lesson, that is lesson 12, carbonyl compound. What is the topic is introduction and the nomenclature of this carbonyl compound. First we are going to see what is meant by carbonyl compound. What is carbonyl compound? So the name itself, it is indicate carbonyl compound. What is carbonyl compound? The carbon containing double bond. Okay, so this is carbonyl compound. What are the carbonyl compound? We already know that in organic compound. So that is aldehyde, then carboxylic acid. Aldehyde, what is the functional group? Or CHO. Okay, then carboxylic acid. So that is or COOH. Then ketone group. So that is or COR, that is keto functional group. Then ester group. What is the ester group? Or COO or dash, that is ester group. So this is the aldehyde group, carboxyl group, then ketone group, that is ester group. These are under the carbonyl compound. So these are the carbonyl compound. So these carbonyl compounds in organic compound is very everyday life. It is very useful and also it is very important for this proteins, carbohydrates. These are made up of all plants and animals. All the structures are made up of carbonyl compound. So they play an important role in the metabolic process. So mainly it is derived from the vitamin B it acts as a coenzymes. So these are all the another important things. And also it is important in the constituents of fabrics and the plastics and the drugs. So these are all the, for example, formaldehyde. So what is formaldehyde? Formaldehyde is also aldehyde functional group. It is used in the paracetamol. Most of the drugs is made up of this aldehydes. Another one is this paracetamol used to reduce the fever and contain the carbonyl group. And is in this lesson we are going to learn about this. What are the nomenclature and what are the studies of this aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. In this chapter we are going to learn aldehyde, carboxylic acid and ketone. These three things only we are going to learn in this chapter. First we are going to see the nomenclature of aldehyde. First we are going to see the nomenclature. First we are going to see aldehyde functional group. Aldehyde functional group. How to learn? First one is now only what is the functional group of aldehyde or CHO. So how to write the suffix name? So that suffix is ending at AL. Okay. So what is the only one carbon root word? So now first one is HCHO. This is the what is the that is how many carbon is there? Only one carbon. What is the root word? That is meth. Whether the compound is saturated. The primary suffix ANE. Okay, so that is suffix aldehyde. It is suffix end at AL. So we are combining that one. So that is methanol. Okay, then again. So what is the common name of this compound? Formaldehyde. Okay. Then CH3CHO. How many carbon is there? 2 carbon. What is the root word? Eth. The compound is saturated or unsaturated? Saturated. Suffix contain AN. Aldehyde contain AL. Okay, so this is ethanol. Okay, what is the common name of this compound? Acetaldehyde. Next, another one is what is the formula of this another compound? CH2 double bond CH What is this compound name? How many carbon is there? Root word. So this is functional group. You give the priority 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 carbon. What is the root word? Prop. Then the compound is unsaturated because the double bond is there. Which position? Second position. 2E. That is the first position contain aldehyde. 2-enol. Okay, so that is prop 2-enol. What is the common name of this compound? Is acrolein. That is the important one compound in the aldehyde, that is acrolein. Okay, another one compound CH3CH double bond CHCHO. How many carbon is there? That is the 4 carbon. How to numbering the compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. The second position containing double bond. 4 carbon mean what is the root word? Bute, right? The bute. Which position containing double bond? That is 2E aldehyde. So first position containing aldehyde. Bute 2-enol. Okay, so this is what is the common name of this compound? Crotonaldehyde. Okay, Croton aldehyde. So common name end with aldehyde, IUPAC name end with AL. The suffix, the common name end with aldehyde, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. So this is Croton aldehyde. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is, next another compound, CH2OH. CHO, then OH. So how many carbon is there? So that is, here two functional group is there. What are the two functional group? So first one is, what are the functional group is there? This is aldehyde functional group. This is alcohol functional group. Suppose in case the two functional group is there, you give the priority for this aldehyde. First priority for aldehyde. So it is considered as a suffix. But this is considered as a substitutional group. The OH is considered as a substitutional group. Okay, this is substitutional group. This is as a functional group, right? So now how to naming this compound? This is also functional group. So how to aldehyde? 1, 2, 3. Here also one hydroxy group. This is the second position containing one hydroxy group. Third position containing one hydroxy group. First position. What is the 3 carbon? What is the root word? That is prop, right? That is prop. 2, 3. Dihydroxy. First one is substitution 2, 3 dihydroxy. Dihydroxy, that is 3 carbon propanol aldehyde, that is Al. Okay, this is the name of this compound. So what is the common name of this compound? Is glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde. Okay, this is called as glyceraldehyde. Okay, so next one is, we already know that one benzene structure. Then CHO. What is this? Benzene plus aldehyde, benzaldehyde. This is the common name, benzaldehyde. So this compound alone, what is the, how to write the IUPAC name? This is compound phenyl, and another one is aldehyde functional group, only one, that is phenyl methane, that is only one carbon, methanol. Phenyl methanol, this is IUPAC name, this is common name. So next another one is ketone. These are all the aldehyde functional group. Next one is ketone functional group. What is the ketone functional group? That is CH3, CO, CH3. So ketone means suffix contain ketone functional group. Suffix ended ONE, ketone. Okay, suffix ended ONE. That is the ketone functional group. Suffix ended ONE. So how many carbon is there? Root word 3 carbon. What is the root word? Prop. Prop, that is saturated propanone. Okay, propanone. So what is the common name of this compound? Acetone. Okay, another one. CH3, double bond CH, CO, CH3. Okay, so here that is the ketone functional group. So first priority for the ketone. So for numbering of this compound, how to numbering this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first one is the second position containing ketone, the third position containing double bond. How to write the name? 5 compound, that is pent. So before that fourth position containing methyl group. 4, 4 dimethyl. Okay, that is substitutional group. Dimethyl pent, the unsaturated compound, that is pent 3E 2O. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name of this compound. So the other common name of this compound is mesithyl oxide. So this is common name is mesithyl oxide. Okay, this is called as mesithyl oxide. So next one is next aromatic compound C6H5 COCH3. So how to write the name? This is phenyl. This one is methyl. How to write the name? So according to the methyl, phenyl ketone. This is called as common name. How to write the IUPAC name? So this is considered as a substitutional group. That is 1, 2. First portion containing phenyl. So 1 phenyl, that is 2 carbon ethanol, ethane, 1 O. So this is considered as a functional group. First portion, second portion, first portion containing 1 phenyl group. That is 1 phenyl. Okay, 1 phenyl, ethane, 1 O. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is C6H5. How to write the name? C double bond O, C6H5. How to write the name? This is called as aromatic compound. This is phenyl, diphenyl ketone, diphenyl ketone, diphenyl ketone, or another common name is benzophenone or diphenyl methanone. Diphenyl, this is the IUPAC name, methanone. Diphenyl methanone. Okay, so next one is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Okay, so how to write the name of this compound? CH2, CHO. Okay, so how to write IUPAC name? That is the ketone. So this is considered as this is ketone functional group, aldehyde functional group. So you give the priority for aldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is considered as a substitutional group. So how to write? 3-oxo-pentanal, 5 carbon, that is pentanal, aldehyde pentanal. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name. So next one is, so these are all the IUPAC name of this compound. So another same compound, 2 functional groups, right? This is the one benzene, then C double bond O, that is aldehyde, CHO, then COOH. The benzene ring with COOH called as benzoic acid. Only CHO, that is benzaldehyde. So now 2 functional group is there. This is aldehyde functional group. This is carboxylic functional group. How to write the IUPAC name? This is considered as a aldehyde and carboxyl group. You give the priority for the first priority for carboxyl group, second priority for this aldehyde functional group. So how to write? This is formyl. So that is second. This is first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, this is the 6th position. 2-formyl. 2-formyl. This is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay, so this is the another one. So these are the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. Next one is, what are the structure of this carbonyl compound? What is the structure? Structure of carbonyl compound. What are the structure of carbonyl compound? Okay, what are the structure of carbonyl compound? The carbonyl compound. So what is the functional group of this carbonyl compound? This is the carbonyl compound. Okay, so this is carbonyl compound. How to this carbon containing sp2 hybridized organization. sp2 hybridized. Carbon oxygen, it is similar to the carbon-carbon. This is carbon-oxygen bond. This is also carbon-carbon bond. So that is the carbonyl carbon of the 3 using their sp2 hybridized orbital. One is forming a sigma bond. This is also sigma bond. This one is sigma bond. This one is pi bond. Okay. So how to write this? This is also exhibit with the resonance hybrid structure. This is or that is double bond O. This also it is resonance hybrid. How to write the resonance structure? So now this is double bond is here. So now this bond is coming to this position. What will happen? This become again this negative charge. Okay, so this is negative charge. This is also exhibited with the resonance structure. So what are the bond angle of this compound? This carbonyl compound. So here that is carbon double bond oxygen. So the bond angle is 120 degree. So this bond angle is 120 degree. So this bond angle is also 120 degree. This is the bond angle. This carbonyl compound. So one is forming a sigma bond and another one is forming. That is a one carbonyl compound. This is C, one oxygen forming a sigma bond. the same compound, another carbonyl compound, another bond is bind with the pi bond. Okay, so one is linked with the sigma bond, another one is forming a pi bond. Okay, this is the structure of this. This is the carbon oxygen, hence the bond is polar bond. This is polarization contribute the aldehyde and ketone. This is aldehyde functional group. It is changes into ketone functional group. That is the ketone. This is aldehyde and ketone functional group. Okay, so this is the structure of this compound. Next one is what are the methods of the preparation of the aldehyde and ketone. So next we are going to see the preparation of the aldehydes and ketones. First one is oxidation of catalytic dehydrogenation of alcohol. We already studied the previous lesson. What is the primary alcohol? That is primary alcohol is oxidation in the presence of Na2Cr2O7. What will happen? That is aldehyde. So aldehyde, that is RCHO. Primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde. The secondary alcohol is oxidized, that form the ketone or COR. So that is we already studied primary alcohol, primary, so in the presence of Na2Cr2O7. So these are all we have studied. So that is the thing, they didn't give that one. Okay, so next one is ozonolysis of alkene. What is meant by ozonolysis? Using this compound, the alkene compound give aldehyde. The breaking down of this compound with aldehyde, that is alkene compound. Alkene compound, what is alkene compound? Double bond. So that is CH2 double bond CH. This is the alkene compound, right? The double bond is called as alkene compound, is react with ozone. This is called as ozone. Breakdown, ozonolysis. Lysis means that is breakdown. Breakdown of this alkene compound to give aldehyde and ketone. Okay, aldehyde and ketone. Okay, so this is the one. Write the example. First one is, so what is this compound name? How to write the compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means bute. Bute is second position. Bute 2E. Okay, so bute 2E. This is the compound. React with ozone. So what will happen? So see, so the double bond, you are adding the ozone compound CH3C. You are adding here one oxygen. Here one oxygen, right? Here one oxygen. That is the through 3 oxygen is here. That is here. That is CH3. Okay, this is called as ozonide complex compound. Ozonide compound will be formed. After then, it will be breakdown. This compound is breakdown. How it will break? This hydrolysis, using this hydrolysis with the zinc and water molecule. How to break down this compound? Surgeon H2O, water hydrolysis. So remaining this compound CH3CHO. What is this compound name? Here also CH3CHO. So that is 2 molecule of CH3CHO. What is this compound name? That is again Surgeon O. What is the compound name? This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. This is the common name. What is the IUPAC name? 2 carbon is there, that is ethanol. Okay, this is ethanol. The same compound, again one more example. CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3, CH3. What is the compound name? Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 methyl. Okay, the second position containing methyl group, 2 methyl. Bute 2E. Bute 2E. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name. Again it will O3. So how it will join? Only the double bond only break down the O3 molecule. So remaining acids you write CH3, then CH, here one oxygen, here again C, here one CH3 is there, here one CH3 is there. Acids you write, then oxygen, here one oxygen, right? Now what will happen? The hydrolysis, here the compound will be break down, here the compound will be break down. So with the, what is that is zinc and water molecule, right? So what is this compound name? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Again CH3, CHO. Okay. So what is this compound name? This is acetone or propanone. Propanone. 3 carbon, that is propanone. This is ethanol. Okay, this is ethanol, this is propanone. Okay, so this is the ozonolysis in your textbook. Again, to evaluate yourself, I will give one remaining 2 you write it, okay? That is propene, 1 butene and isobutene. I write only one, that is propene, okay? So I am writing the propene compound. So first one is, what is the formula of propene? Okay, what is the formula? Propene means how many root word? That is 3 root word, right? 1, 2, 3 carbon, only one double bond, CH3, CH, CH3. That is called as propene. Okay, propene. When react with ozone, this is the evaluate yourself. Evaluate. Okay, that is propene plus react with oxygen. First one is double bond, that is CH3, C, oxygen. Here one CH3. Here CH2, right? Here one oxygen, here one oxygen. So here that is CH2, right? So remaining, now the bond will be breakdown using the zinc and, okay, the bond will be breakdown in the presence of zinc and water molecule. What is the formula? CH2O, that is HCHO. What is this compound name? That is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Again CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde. CH3CHO, this is called as acetaldehyde or ethanol. Okay, this is the another one. This is the ozonolysis of alkene compound, that is double bond. Next one is hydration of alkyne. Hydration of alkane. Hydration of alkynes. Okay, what are the hydration of alkane? So first one is, when alkane react with, what is alkyne? Alkyne means that is triple bond. CH, triple bond, CH. What is this compound name? Acetylene. Acetylene. When react with hydrolysis, hydration, addition of oxygen, hydrogen in the presence of mercury sulfate and the sulfuric acid, what will happen? To form the unstable enol compound will be formed, that is hydration. The two double bond, that only one bond will be break down, that is HC, one hydrogen, remaining another hydrogen will be added. Okay, so that is OH. This is what is the square bracket. The square bracket represent is an unstable compound. Again it will converted into another compound to form this aldehyde compound CH3CHO, that is called as ethanol. Ethanol. This is called as acetylene. How to write the IUPAC name? 2 carbon with ethine, YNE. The triple bond is suffix contain YNE. This is called as ethane. This is hydration of alkane. Another one is other than acetylene. So this is acetylene. So aldehyde form. Another one is propyne. So CH3, C, triple bond, CH in the presence of HOH. Again mercury sulfate, MgS sulfate and the sulfuric acid. Again unstable compound will be formed. CH3, COH, then double bond CH2. This is unstable compound. This is also enol. What is enol? Double bond containing alcohol functional group, that is called as enol. So it will again isomerize to form the keto group, that is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So what is this compound name? CH3CO, CH3, that is propanone or acetone. Okay, that is acetone, propanone or acetone. This is the another reaction. What is this compound name? That is through 3 carbon root word propyne. Propyne. Okay, so that is the one propyne. Okay, this is another one. Next one is how to prepare aldehyde and ketone. Okay, how to prepare aldehyde and ketone from the calcium salt of carboxylic acid. First one is aldehyde. How to prepare aldehyde? Aldehyde. First one is calcium salt of carboxylic acid. So first one is HC double bond O C, calcium methanoate. Okay, so HC double bond O, that is calcium methanoate. Dry distillation, when we are heating dry distillation to form the methanol, that is C double bond OH. How it will be formed? That is calcium carbonate will be released. So that is this compound will be break down. So here that is HCOH. So that is methanol. Again calcium carbonate will be removed. What is the compound name? That is methanol. Okay, so this is the another one. Next one is the same compound calcium ethanoate and calcium ethanoate by distillation, that is formed the ethanol. So here CH3 C double bond OCA calcium ethanoate. Here 2 carbon is there, so that is C double bond O, that is calcium ethanoate plus calcium ethanoate, that is O C double bond OH. Okay, so here also O C double bond OH, that is calcium ethanoate or calcium ethanoate. This compound will be released. Okay, this compound will be released, that is called as calcium carbonate. Again in this presence of dry distillation to form the, that is ethanol C double bond OH. What is the compound in 2 carbon? That is ethanol. Okay, then calcium carbonate will be released, 2 molecule of calcium carbonate. And another one is ketone. The same compound will be, how it will form the ketone? Again symmetrical aldehyde, then ketone. How to prepare the ketone? First one is again calcium ethanoate CH3 C double bond OCA. Here also CH3 C double bond OCA calcium. In the presence of dry distillation again what is the compound will be released? So here the compound will be calcium carbonate will be released. So here CH3 C double bond CH3. What is this compound name? That is propanone. Again calcium carbonate. Okay, so this is calcium carbonate. This is called as ketones. Okay, this is the another one preparation of this aldehyde and ketone. So next one is what are the preparation of aldehyde. Next we are going to see the preparation of aldehyde by Rossmann reaction. What is meant by Rossmann reaction? So it is prepared by the hydrogenation of acid chloride. So here that is CH3 C double bond OCl. That is, what is the name of this compound? Is acetyl chloride. Okay, this compound name is acetyl chloride. In the presence of palladium and barium sulfate is act as a catalyst to form the aldehyde, that is CH3 C double bond OH plus HCl. That is called as acetaldehyde. What is the purpose? We are adding this palladium and barium sulfate is a catalytic poison. This barium sulfate acts as a catalytic poison to palladium catalyst, so that aldehyde cannot be further reduced to alcohol. This here the palladium stops this reaction after forming the acetaldehyde. So what is the reason? It is act as a catalytic poison. What is meant by catalytic poison? The compound which destroy that catalyst. Okay, so that aldehyde can formaldehyde and ketone cannot be prepared. This formaldehyde and ketone cannot be prepared by this method. Next one is Stephenson reaction. What is meant by Stephenson reaction? Again cyanide compound, alkyl cyanide compound react with stannous chloride, alkyl cyanide compound, triple bond N, cyanide compound in the presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid to form this compound is CH3 CH double bond NH. Okay, this is H3O plus to form the acetaldehyde CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde, stannous chloride. Stephenson, that is corresponding amines are formed which on hydrolysis to give the first one is, first we are stannous chloride hydrolysis to form the amide group, that is amide. So that is amine. So NH, that is amine compound will be formed. After then hydrolysis to form the ethanol. Okay, this is called as ethanol. Next one is what are the reduction of cyanide. So using this compound, how to reduction of cyanide compound? So again CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH2 Cn. Okay, this is the compound is called as how many carbon is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 carbon means that is hex. Okay, root word hex. Fourth position containing double bond, that is 4En. So Cn compound suffix how to write? Nitrile. Okay, nitrile. Okay, hex 4En nitrile. Okay, in this presence of aluminum hydride and water molecule, aluminum hydride and water molecule to hydrolysis form the, that is the aldehyde form. For aldehyde compound will be formed. So remaining as it is you write, only this position only change into aldehyde. CH CH2 CH2 CHO. What is this compound name? Hex 4-enal. Okay, the fourth position containing double bond, then enal. So next one is, what is the preparation of aldehyde? Okay. So how to write the preparation? First one is Etard reaction. Then aldehyde compound, that is called as Etard reaction. What is mean by Etard reaction? So first one is methyl benzoate. So that is the benzene ring. Then CH3 chromyl chloride, CrO2 Cl2 chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon sulfide to form the acetic anhydride. So this is the, what is this compound name? Toluene. I already told the previous lesson, benzene with CH3, that is called as toluene. Again this compound, right, CHO-HCl2, that is chromyl chloride will be added on hydrolysis to form this compound is called as benzaldehyde. This is called as Etard reaction. This is formation of aldehyde compound, benzaldehyde. Okay, this is the first equation. This is called as benzaldehyde. This is the Etard reaction. Next one is Hatterman reaction. The naming reactions are very important. Hatterman reaction. What is Hatterman reaction? So first one is when benzene this is the benzene compound, carbonyl compound, hydrochloric acid, that is Friedel-Crafts is the same as the Friedel-Crafts reaction in the presence of cupric chloride. So that is CuCl is act as a catalyst to form this compound is benzaldehyde. Okay, this is called as benzaldehyde. Again one is how to benzaldehyde from toluene. So what is the formula of toluene? That is CH3. Okay, this is called as toluene. Toluene. What is this compound name? This is called as benzene. This is called as benzaldehyde. This is called as benzaldehyde. This is toluene in the presence of chlorine and HNu. Okay, to form the benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride, that is CH2Cl. CHCl2. What is the compound name? Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride again on hydrolysis and heated with to form the benzaldehyde. This is called as benzaldehyde. Okay, this is the another one. This is called as Hatterman reaction. Next one is the same compound, how to prepare the ketone from the dialkyl cadmium. How to prepare ketone from the dialkyl cadmium. So how to prepare, that's a previous that we have studied the aldehyde, now the ketone. So how to write the ketone? Acetyl chloride. What is the formula of acetyl chloride? CH3 C double bond O Cl, acetyl chloride. Here also another acetyl chloride. Okay, then dicadmium, dimethyl cadmium, CH3. So here the cadmium chloride will be released, right? That CdCl2, cadmium chloride will be released. Remaining compound cadmium chloride will be released. So CH3 C double bond O CH3. What is this compound name? That is acetone. Okay, so this is the preparation. Next one is phenyl ketone by Friedel-Crafts reaction. What is meant by Friedel-Crafts reaction? Aluminum chloride in the presence of water. Again, acetyl chloride, CH3COCl, react with benzene. Okay, in the presence of aluminum chloride and the water molecule to form the benzophenone. So COCH3, that is acetophenone. Here acetophenone. Okay, again benzyl chloride, the same thing, C6H5, C double bond O, Cl plus benzene in the presence of aluminum chloride, then water molecule. So these are the form the COCH, C6H5, that is benzophenone. Benzophenone. Okay, that's all about the preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Next one is what are the properties, physical properties of aldehyde and ketone. So we see the next class. Okay, thank you children. Bye.